DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. All right, so I am waiting for the rules to be met, like this text says here. And what does that mean? I'm only really going to consider something like a buy if the price shows me that it really wants to go up. Meaning what? I want to see the price give me a double break. I want to see give me this red line. And if it doesn't, then it just keeps going lower and goes outside this gray zone, then this is going to get deleted and I'm going to focus on something else. Like it's not particularly, might not even be like a bullish opportunity, but for right now, like just observing it from a higher time frame chart, this seemed nice. Like we broke structure bullish and what, but if it starts going lower, it's going to be a different story. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Still waiting. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And like literally there's nothing else that I would add. Now just keep in mind this is all demo simulated environment. Don't listen to me, do your own due diligence.